Morning, Greg the Wild Hippie here. Just thought I'd give you an update on my latest models and stuff I've been doing on the workbench. Hope you enjoy. This is the completed HMS hood that I was working on. In the last video I showed you my workbench. Not entirely happy. Well, I'm happy with the ship. But the base I used Play-Doh instead of plasticine, and all those white lines are where it's cracked after I coated it with PVA glue, hoping that would stop it from drying out. So one day I will pull that apart and redo it. What else have I got? Did a little tank engine logo, and it's up there. I've done a Hawker Hunter, which I'm quite impressed with. Since got a couple more Lancaster bomber pictures, found them at the car boot for £2 each, couldn't believe it. Yeah. Current work in progress is this Tamiya lake version Tiger1. Absolutely fantastic kit. Really enjoying it. Bit of a challenge doing the zimmet on the side of the armour, which was like a concrete paste they painted on to help prevent the magnetic mines from sticking and obviously taking the tanks out. I used where have I put it? Cheapo high power adhesive, basically no more nails. That's what they suggested on the internet. And yeah, put it on, let it dry for about 20 minutes, and then just basically scrape into it, creating that pattern. Yeah, I'm very impressed with the little figures that came with it. I don't think it wants to focus. I've never done sort of camouflage patterns on clothing before. It does not want to focus, which is a bit annoying. Put them back on there. But yeah, I am get a bit more light on it, see if that helps. No, it doesn't want to play. I'll try and take some photographs and put them on afterwards. But yeah, thoroughly enjoyable kit so far. I'll update you as I do a little bit more on it in a few days maybe, or show you the complete article. I don't know yet. But yeah, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that little update. I'll be going out into the wilds for more adventures very soon. Yeah, so if you want to see more of them or more on my models, like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Cheers.